I-Kang's Creative Lab. Today we're going to make lava lamp.
For the vocabulary we have 1. Lava 熔岩
2. Cooking oil 食用油
3. Watercolor 水彩颜料
4. Effervescent tablets 发泡錠
5. Drip 滴
6. Floating 漂浮
7. Snap 掰
8. Suitable 适合
9. Density 密度
10. Blend 重叠 For the materials we need a cup, water, cooking oil, watercolor, and effervescent tablet. Also, we need safety goggles.
First, put a quarter of water into a cup. We've already done this.
Second, drip a few drops of watercolor into the cup and mix them.
Then put cooking oil into a cup. You'll see the oil flowing on top. It will not blend.
Finally, snap the effervescent tablet into small pieces.
2,000 years later.
Now we're going to try out the color of watercolor. See which one is the most suitable one.
You. Because the density of water and oil are not the same, so they will not blend together. This is all about today.
I-Kang's Creative Lab. See you next time. Bye bye.